Hey, I'm up in the Australian Alpine right now doing a sound project that I've been wanting to do for so long. It's the sound of fire. So I got my microphone set up. I'm gonna light this thing up and see how it goes. It should be fun. So I got my Sound Devices Mix Pre 6. This microphone is plugged into Wildtronics ambient microphone. Got my Sony D100 over there and monitoring with Sunrise Ratio 25 set up. I wanted to show you guys a couple of the one-shots that I created from the Sound of Fire project. So I got Pro Tools opened up here, let's check them out. That one's so woody. That one sounds like a whole bunch of coals smushing together or something. Very fiery. That one's my absolute fave. It sounds like a whole bunch of toy blocks falling or something, but it's from when I was mixing around the coals, and it's just so interesting. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and stay wild.